Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming workplaces in many exciting ways. Here are some key applications. Automation of routine tasks. AI can handle repetitive tasks like data entry, scheduling, and email management, freeing up employees to focus on more strategic work. Enhanced decision making. AI algorithms can analyze large data sets to provide insights and predictions, helping businesses make informed decisions. Improved customer service. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can provide 24/7 customer support, answering common queries and resolving issues quickly. Personalized marketing. AI can analyze customer behavior and preferences to create personalized marketing campaigns, improving engagement and conversion rates. Talent acquisition. AI tools can streamline the recruitment process by screening resumes, scheduling interviews, and even conducting initial assessments. Employee training and development. AI can create personalized learning paths and training programs for employees, helping them develop new skills and advance in their careers. Enhanced collaboration. AI can facilitate better collaboration by organizing meetings, managing projects, and ensuring effective communication among team members. AI is not just about replacing human jobs but augmenting human capabilities and making work more efficient and enjoyable. If you have any specific area you're interested in, let me know. Self-driving cars, also known as autonomous vehicles, rely heavily on artificial intelligence, AI, to navigate and make decisions. Here's a breakdown of how AI works in these vehicles. 1. Sensors and data collection. Self-driving cars are equipped with various sensors, including LiDAR, uses laser pulses to create a 3D map of the environment. Radar, detects objects and measures their speed and distance. Cameras, capture visual information to identify objects like pedestrians, traffic signs, and other vehicles. Ultrasonic sensors, used for close-range detection, such as parking. 2. Perception. The data collected by the sensors is processed by AI algorithms to understand the car's surroundings. This involves object detection, identifying and classifying objects around the vehicle. Object tracking, monitoring the movement of these objects over time. Semantic segmentation, dividing the environment into different regions, example, road, sidewalk, buildings. 3. Localization and mapping. AI helps the car determine its precise location using GPS, provides a general location. Simultaneous localization and mapping, SLAM combines sensor data to create and update maps in real time. 4. Path planning. AI algorithms plan the car's route by predicting the behavior of other road users, generating a safe and efficient path to the destination, adapting to dynamic changes in the environment, such as sudden obstacles or traffic conditions. 5. Control. Finally, the AI system controls the vehicle's actions. Steering, adjusting the direction. Acceleration and braking, managing speed. Decision-making, handling complex scenarios like merging lanes or navigating intersections. Machine learning and neural networks. Machine learning, particularly deep learning with neural networks, plays a crucial role in improving the AI's performance. These models are trained on vast amounts of driving data to recognize patterns and make accurate predictions. Safety and redundancy. To ensure safety, self-driving cars often have redundant systems and fail-safes. This means that if one system fails, another can take over to prevent accidents. Self-driving technology is continuously evolving, with companies like Tesla, Waymo, and others making significant advancements. Is there a specific aspect of self-driving cars you're particularly interested in? Artificial intelligence, AI, has numerous real-world applications that are transforming various industries. Here are some notable examples. Healthcare, AI is used for diagnosing diseases, personalizing treatment plans, and even performing robotic surgeries. It helps in analyzing medical images and predicting patient outcomes. Finance, AI algorithms detect fraudulent transactions, automate trading, and provide personalized financial advice. They also help in credit scoring and risk management. E-commerce, AI enhances online shopping experiences through personalized recommendations, chatbots for customer service, and inventory management. Transportation, self-driving cars and AI-powered traffic management systems aim to reduce accidents and improve traffic flow. AI is also used in logistics for route optimization. Agriculture, AI helps in precision farming by analyzing soil health, predicting crop yields, and automating irrigation systems. Entertainment, AI is used in content recommendation systems for platforms like Netflix and Spotify. It also powers virtual reality experiences and game development. Customer service, AI chatbots and virtual assistants handle customer inquiries, provide support, and improve response times. Social media, AI algorithms curate content, detect fake news, and manage user interactions. They also help in targeted advertising. Manufacturing, AI optimizes production processes, predicts equipment failures, and enhances quality control through visual inspection systems. Education, AI personalizes learning experiences, provides tutoring, and automates administrative tasks. These applications demonstrate how AI is transforming various sectors by improving efficiency, accuracy, and user experiences. Is there a specific application you're particularly interested in learning more about?